Are you struggling to figure out how to rotate your water supply? Well, you have come to the right video. Here we go. Hi everyone, Morgan here. Now when you use your water, make sure to get a new supply. Rotating is not a bad word. It's not bad, nothing's wrong with it. You're not wasting money, okay? You're using your water maybe every 6 months to a year, something like that, whatever you're comfortable with. And you are replacing it with something new. This is something you should be doing anyway. So the first one is, if you are going to be making some rice or pasta, go ahead and just pour those bottles of water right in there for that water, for the water needs for that pasta butter. Water your household's plants. Just give it a good old water there. Whee! Or hydroponics if you have it. Fill pet bowls. We don't have our doggies anymore, but if you do, pets can definitely drink it. Personally, we like to use water bottles with our electrolyte drinks because I don't like putting the electrolyte drinks or anything other than water in our hydro flasks. So we use bottles of water, and then after we're done using the bottle of water with this, we will fill it up with filtered water from our fridge, and then we will either put it back in the fridge to reuse, or we'll just throw this right here in the freezer for frozen water. Boom! Take your water supply and practice using it for drills, right? So why don't you take a day and just use just your bottled water or whatever water supply you have and use it for cooking, hygiene, cleaning, drinking, all those needs, and see how much water you use. It's going to be a really good exercise. You could even extend it for like a 3-day period or something like that, but try it just for a day. See how much water you use. Use it for your coffee maker. Oh yeah. Freeze it. Just straight up freeze it. Okay. Even if, if you have a bunch of water that you feel is coming to an expiration, just take it and literally just throw it in your freezer. It's going to make your freezer more efficient, and you're gonna have that water ready to go. You can also use the frozen water as like ice packs in just various ways. So just go ahead and just freeze your bottled waters. If you have waters in containers like this, I know I'm really strong. Okay, I'm just kidding, it's empty. Oof, I almost had to for a minute, didn't I? If you have waters in containers like this, you can use this for like brushing your teeth, other hygiene needs, making your own cleaning supplies, whatever you need for water, basically. So if you want to just run through one of these containers, just go ahead and set it up on a counter and just run through it. Just, drink it. Just pop open this little cap, put it to your lips, drink. Glug, 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 glug. It's okay, just drink the bottled water. You know what we like to do? We like to take it on trips. We like to grab a bunch of bottled waters, throw it in our vehicle if we're gonna go to like our kids' swim meets, or we're gonna go to the park, or we're gonna go for a hike, and just throw it in the car and we use it. We use it, okay? If you wanna just throw like a few bottles in there, put it under your seat and have it there for like a week, drink it, use it, refill your bottles of waters, and just use it. Your rainwater can be used for a lot of the same purposes, for watering your garden, for giving it to your animals or livestock, for using for cleaning or for hygiene. You can also consume it, okay? Just if you want to purify it first, do that. Filter and purify and then consume it or use it for cooking needs. By the way, my banana plants have taken off with this recent rain. Whoa, look at it go. Beautiful. So there you have it. Was that 10? Was that more? I don't know. But there are some ways that you can easily rotate your water, whether it's in bottles like this, the gallons, the containers, the rainwater, whatever water you are storing, you can easily rotate with the ways that I've mentioned, plus so many others. Let me know some ways that you are rotating water, or what ways of these you are going to start implementing to start rotating your water. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.